Okay, now I'm going to demonstrate how we can launch a program when you first pull it from the GitHub repository. First of all, we want to go to this branch, 8D BD8 overview. The repository is our repository Medgemma. We want to pull this repository, open up in, for example, VS Code or any application of your choice. You only need to use terminal, so you can just do it in the terminal as well of your computer, which is this app. You just type your instructions here as long as you're in the same file. So I'm just going to do it here because it's clear. First of all, what you need to do is you have to log into the Medgemma model. So how are we going to do that? We're going to go to huggingface.co. You're going to make an account. I already have an account. Once you make an account, you go to settings. So you first click Hugging Face, settings, and then you have access tokens on the left. And you can see these are tokens. These are tokens that I generated. You can create a new token, put in whatever name you want it to, and then you're gonna put read here. And you put your token name, read, and you're gonna create the token. That's gonna give you a long token that you can copy that, and don't lose it. Don't show it to anyone. And then after that, you're gonna go to this website, Google/Medgemma 4BIT. There should be a button to authorize this model. It should be right here when you've logged in. I've already authorized it, so I don't have it, but you should see authorized model, or you can see license this model or whatever. Just click that. It's going to take a few seconds and it's going to authorize it for you. After that is done, you go back to your terminal. You're going to run a few commands. You're going to run pip install Hugging Face if you don't have that already. Before we do that, we want to open up our virtual environment. So our virtual environment is inside src python vn bin. So what we're going to do is we're going to type source src python vn bin activate. So that's going to start up our virtual environment vn over here. Once we have this, then we can install. Pip install Hugging Face. That's just so that you can connect your computer to the Hugging Face API. After that, we're going to install Hugging Face Hub. Mine is already installed, that's why it's this. If you haven't installed it, you're going to see progress bars of how it's installing. And then I'm going to put Hugging Face HF off login. So this is going to prompt up this. I'm already logged in. If you're not logged in, it's going to prompt for a token. So that is where you paste the token that you got, that you just generated, paste it in, and then press enter, and that should log you in. That should give you access to Medgemma. After that, then we're ready to run the program. Before running the program, make sure you have all the required files. For example, fast API here. Then if you don't have that, we're just going to put pip install, for example, fast API. I already have it, so it's already satisfied. If you don't have it, you just got to download that. After everything is downloaded, you're just going to put npm start. That should launch up Electron. There you go. And we can load DICOM study. And then we're going to select the folder. For example, I can select DICOM free, enter, and that's going to launch up our program.